Hey there.
Hi. Gabby's holding the rein.
Hey girl. Come on. Let's walk side by side here. There's Mom and Gabby. And Tazan. Look
Barry?
at you holding the reins. Where's Barry? There's Barry. Here's the big road.
Gabby's riding Tiz. Mom's just along for the ride.
The little bumpy on Bob here. Alright, let's walk a little bit. Look at you, girl. Come on. Alright, Bob.
Barry.
Look at the bee man way up there. A little bumpy. We are on the horse. Here's a trail we take sometime. Alrighty. Come on, Bob. Bye-bye for now.